How to make a basket flower arrangement step by step. Using floral foam, cut it to fit the size of your basket. Soak the foam in water until it's completely saturated before use. Use a suitable basket with plastic to prevent water from leaking. Insert various types of greenery and foliage to fill the form base. Insert tall flower, lower flower, medium flowers. Let them evenly around the floral foam to create a balanced look. Usually larger blooms as focal point. Insert various types of greenery and foliage to fill in gaps and add texture. Make sure it's completely covered by flowers and greenery. You can use additional foliage or smaller flowers to hide any visible foam. Check the arrangement for any gaps or imbalances. Adjust flowers and greenery as needed to create a harmonious look. This helps create a lush and natural appearance. In the arrangement with smaller blooms and accent flowers, these can add color and detail to the arrangement. Spread them throughout the arrangement for an even distribution. Adds visual interest and dimension. Step back and assess the arrangement as you work to ensure it looks balanced from all angles. With these steps, you'll be able to create basket flower arrangement that adds beauty and charm to any space. Enjoy the creative process and let your artistic instincts guide you as you arrange the flowers. Thanks for watching.